If you're an established service-based business owner and you have an existing website, but it's not generating a consistent flow of leads every month for your business, well, you're in the right place and I can help you. My name's Nathan and I specialize in building lead generating websites for service-based business owners like you who want to generate more leads, booked appointments and sales for your business. Now, you may have already gone to a web designer who built you a stunning looking website with fancy animations and slideshows that get you a ton of compliments, but does absolutely nothing towards generating new leads, booked appointments and sales for your business. You may have even had a friend or a family member help you out with no success, forcing you to take things into your own hands with Wix, GoDaddy and Squarespace. Now, to be fully transparent, the website I build you will not win any design awards. So if that's what you're looking for, I'm not your guy. But if you want a website that's going to attract the type of clientele and customers that you want to work with, position you and your company as the go-to expert in your area, make your visitors feel really heard and understood, and actually lead them to take action and make an inquiry. All of this resulting in a consistent flow of new leads and inquiries every single month so you can book more appointments, make more sales, and stop relying so heavily on word of mouth and referrals. But look, don't take my word for it. See what all my past clients have to say.
The website paid for itself and then some within easily the first month, maybe even sooner.
Over the past week, we've had 6 inquiries a day on average. So, like you say, we've gone from 1 a month to 6 a day. So the numbers speak volumes to me.
5-6 weeks, it's paid for itself, and now it's ongoing and constantly bringing money into the company.
Across the lead capture and the whole package of social media marketing, being directed at the right people, business has really picked up a lot.
I think it was the very next day we started getting leads. We landed up with 18 leads in our first 11 days. Which was insane.
If this sounds like something you and your business can benefit from, hit the button down below and schedule a call at a time and date that suits you. And I look forward to speaking to you soon.